Okay, folks, we're also going to learn how to make Klark Santa Fe chicken here tonight, okay? Now what I've got here is flour. See, flour? Yes. We're going to take this flour, take a baggie like this. I'm going to turn my camera around so I can see what I'm doing here. For an average group of like 3 or 4 people, you want to put about 2 big heaping scoops of flour in this baggie like so. Okay. Now we're going to put the lid on that and get it out of the way. All right. Okay. We're back with some of the spices. We're going to add to our flour now. Garlic salt, okay? Now I like to take the lid off because I like to put a bunch of garlic salt in. The lid limits how much you can. We prefer Lowry's garlic salt. I guess I put about 2 tablespoons or so in there of garlic salt. Next, New Mexico chili powder, okay? Now you're going to want to add about 1.5 teaspoons or so of that. Okay, 1.5 teaspoons of that. Cayenne pepper. Yes, cayenne pepper. We're going to, again, remove the lid because we like to put it in there in mass instead of shake. Okay, now we're going to shake probably about 1 teaspoon's worth of that in here. You want to go overboard on that because it is kind of warm. Alright. Now, 2 more secret ingredients. We use Mexican oregano, okay? And we're going to pour out about a teaspoon of that in my hand, like so. And I like to grind it up finer with my fingers like this. Alrighty. Nice and ground up. That's an aromatic spice to put in there. That was the oregano. Then we're going to add another aromatic, not quite as much this though, basil, about 3/4 teaspoon, I'd say, right there. That much in your hand. Again, we're going to break it up. We don't want big flakes of it. We want powdered version, so kind of powdering it up. Okay, that's our spices for our Santa Fe chicken. Now we're just going to shake. Shake your booty, shake your booty. All right, spices are now well incorporated into there. Okay, we're back. I put a piece of wax paper on a little tray. You don't have to do either one of these steps. Put it on your cutting board or whatever. What I've got here, a package of boneless, skinless. You can actually use the ones with the skin on them if you want to. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. I like them to be boneless. Seems to work out better. I'm going to put that in this bag. Shake it real good. Like so. Pull it out. This is 2 eggs and about 1/2 cup of milk or so. Maybe 1 cup of milk somewhere there. Egg wash, we call it. Egg wash. Mix it up real good. See, we're double breading this. Now, meanwhile, behind us we have our deep fryer heating up to 350 degrees. Precisely. 350 degrees. Okay. First bread. Dunk it. Bring it back. Got it. Shake it off, the excess. And we're going to bring one more of these guys up. Spread it once. Our flour mixture. Going to dunk them. And then go at it again. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Those are done. They're breaded, folks. There you have it. Into the deep fryer. There we go. There's one. Two. Kind of want to lower them in slowly. Make sure that they don't have water in them when you're doing this, or else you end up with a catastrophe. Okay, all three are in the fryer now. We're going to put the lid on it. Get rid of this wax. Okay, we're going to check on our chicken, how it's coming along now. As you can see, it's getting this nice golden brown texture to it. See all the spices? Oh, yum. Okay, chicken's coming along. We'll be checking its temperature here in a little bit. Okay, as you can see, all three chicken breasts are now at 175 degrees. Nice golden brown on them. And that's what we're going to leave them at, right there for a little bit. Now we got to go into the next stage, the final stage. Stay tuned. Okay, final step is you have to make a concasso. This is going to go over our chicken breasts. I'm going to take some of Klark's homemade salsa. About yay much. I'd say half a cup's worth, roughly. Homemade salsa. You can use whatever salsa you like the best. We're going to take delicious Velveeta cheese, right? Kind of got all the goodie out of this one. I'm going to slice it up so that it melts fast. I'm just going to throw the pieces in randomly around here, like so. We have at least 6 or more pieces of that in there. I'm going to get some more out. Okay, we got another one of these Velveetas out. Well, that's one thing about Velveeta I don't understand. Maybe someone could enlighten me. All of the costs, transportation costs, have gone down. The milk prices are as low as they've ever been, but they keep raising the price on Velveeta. I don't understand. Can't be the transportation. Can't be the price of milk. What is it? Why do they keep raising it through the roof? It should be going down, not up, huh? We're just going to add a few more pieces here. Something like that. Now we're going to zip it back up, like so. Put it back in the box, like so. Cover it. Put it in a little cargo container over here. Put that back in the fridge in a little bit. Meanwhile, bring it out some more of our American. We're going to put 1, 2, 3 Americans in there. Okay? That should be enough for our queso. So now I'll see you over at the stove in just a minute. Okay, we've got our stove set to high heat right now. We're going to have to get a spoon here. A wooden spoon like this. I'm going to start moving it around a little bit. Need to move it about like so. Start digging into it a little bit to break up the slices. It'll start melting quite fast here in a minute. Chunk it up here. Now it's starting to melt good. Just gonna keep stirring. I don't want it to stick to the bottom. So I will just stand here and stir it just like this. Now we're getting there. While that's doing that for a second, I'm going to find the lid to this puppy. Well, that was fast, wasn't it? Yep, that's the right lid. Stir it, stir it, stir it. There we go. Make sure it's all mixed up nice. There you have it. There it is. Okay. Oven or stove eye, like they say in the South, stove eye off. And now, I have to make sure this is good here. Yes, it is. Very good. I'm going to put the lid on it. We're going to set it aside for now. Okay. It's time to eat, folks. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our handy oven gloves. Turn this so I can see what's going on. Oven gloves. Pull out our chicken like so. And pull out our mashed potatoes, green chili mashed potatoes, like so. Okay. Zoom in slightly here. There we go. Take this lid off. And now we're going to serve this up. How you do that is get one of these, put that in our queso, right? We're going to give Myra this one. Put it on like that. That's kind of warm, but we can handle it. Righty. Now, we're going to take our queso like this. Pour it right over the top of your delicious chicken breast, like so. Give her a great big heaping helping of green chili mashed potatoes. Just like this.
Hip, hip, yay. here, probably.
Mmm.
Then, don't it?
Mm-hmm. Alrighty, folks. Here we go. I'm going to cut into this.